Check out this little guy. Gonna ship him off today. I just wanted to make a quick little video, maybe because a lot of people haven't seen this cacti or know how to take care of it. I picked it up when it was like maybe 2 or 3 inches tall, and now it's maybe 7 inches, and it's, you know, bought by somebody. This is Opuntia Subulata, and then it's the mutation Cristata. You can see it's got this crown, real cool, super funky growth. The little tips at the top are the new stuff. I ship them bare root, that's why the roots are exposed. But this was about a 2.5 gal. Had repotted it about 6 months ago from a gal, or a 1 gal. It's got this really cool texture. I like it. And then from the top is really, you know, its best look. You know, I like putting them a little bit crooked when I plant them in, you know, landscape gardens. Do landscaping here in LA. But yeah, this cacti requires real minimal care. I would check up on it every week, water it a little bit. Sometimes when it rained, I wouldn't water it. I would put it in full sun, and then if it started getting a little, you know, if it's dark green turning to light green, I would put it in the shade for a little bit, then back to full sun. These can grow in sun or shade. They're pretty drought tolerant. Like I said, you don't need to water them much. When I did water them, I would probably add like, you know, 2 or 3 cups of water, you know, and I live in SoCal, so it's pretty hot here, always 80 or 90 degrees. But yeah, this cacti doesn't require much care. Like I said, just give it a cool sunny spot, little water every week, and it should be cool. You know, I would give it, when I first planted it, every time I do a repotting, I give it a little bit of compost mixed in with its soil. I pot it in cacti soil, which is sand and gravel dominant. It's got a lot of perlite, and it's well drained, so look out for that to give it its best place. And if you are planting it in the soil and not a pot, just make sure the spot you're planting it in is you know, got good draining soil. And if you're planting in an area like me that has clay soil, you can always use cacti soil, and, you know, maybe just like whatever pot you're planting, double the hole of that pot, and then use that area to put in cacti soil, and then you can put your cacti in there, and then it has a couple years of soil to grow in. And you know, these don't put roots too deep down, so you'll just use a cacti fertilizer every year or 2 to give it a little boost. Usually, you know, this cacti doesn't fruit, or it gives fruit, but not, you know, real good edible fruit. But if it did, like another cacti, you want to fertilize before it fruits or when it's flowering, because that's a little bit prior to fruiting. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little vid. This guy's heading out. I wanted to show people this cool cactus, and maybe teach them a little bit how to take care of it if you got it at home. Have a good one.